So friends, now we will move forward and next term reassignment and redeclaration. Firstly, we declare the variable, then we initialize the value. So what is the meaning of declaration? It means you have reserve some space for a specific thing, like you have take a place for your friend. I mean, just you say that this is my friend's place, and that would be a blank for your friend. Okay, I mean, it is that kind of thing. So here read declaration. So let understand it. Read declaration. How we declare it? So basically, like you can uh, write let, I mean kind of variable, then any variable name and initialize some value to it. Okay. Suppose that you have declare it and initialize value in it in a, right? But what this term say, read declaration, it means you are again going to write this thing, let a, and you can change the value. Suppose that you can write here 6. So what basically we are doing right now, we have declare a here, again declaring the same thing, that is called redeclaration. But in case of let and const, it is not valid, it will give you the error. In case of variable like where, if you will write where here and again where here, and if even you are changing any value or initialize any new value to this variable, that would be acceptable by the compiler or by the by the javascript, right? So this is what about redeclaration. And what the meaning of reassigning? Reassigning means initialization. I mean, you are giving some values. Suppose that here, let's say the same example. A reassigning means you are giving again and again same value, either different value. Again you can give it 6 and give it 7 or anyone whatever you want to give it, right? Put into it. So this is what reassigning and redeclaration. And then it comes to temporal dead zone. What is the meaning of temporal dead zone? So basically temporal dead zone refers to the term wherever you want to print the values or the declaration part of any variable before initialize any value to it. Let understand this term with example. Suppose that we are writing here let a equal to 5, and we are trying to print here, and you can use either console dot log and a. So basically what we are trying to do it, we are trying to print a before initialize or declare it. So this is what comes under temporal dead zone. Temporal dead zone, dead zone is means it is refers to the area which is called temporal zone. Dead zone, it means it will, it is a space or it is a kind of lines which is comes under this thing. So all the spaces who is trying to print the value of any variable, anything before initialize and declaration, that comes under temporal zone. So basically line number 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 and 6, we have initialize and declared and then initialize the values in line number 6, but we are trying to print it into in a line number 1. So from 1 to 5, from 1 to, yes, 5, all these lines comes under, all this area comes under temporal dead zone. So next term, so the next term is hoisting impact. What does it refer? Temporal, sorry, hoisting impact. It means whenever you are initialize or declare and initialize the object or any variable, then it get converts split into two term, a declaration as well as initialization part. So the initialization part remain at their I mean remain at their position, and the kind of declaration part goes up to the code, up to the up to the screen. Suppose that you are let a equal to 5, okay, and what if we, I mean in hosting, its declaration part goes to the app, let a equal to, because we are giving the value or initializing value here, but its declaration part go to the upper level, I mean at the top. So has no any value. That's why it will take a default value called undefined. Great. Next term is data type or data type. Yeah. Basically, there's two type. There's two data type. First is primitive. Second is reference. So let you understand it with very simple term. Suppose you are copying any variable or anything in, I mean sorry, suppose you are trying to copy any data type and it gives the same, I mean it give a original copy to you, it means it comes under primitive data type. And reference data type, I mean what is the means of reference? Suppose that you are copying anything and it that is not giving you the original copy, that is giving you only the reference. Suppose that, let's take example of primitive data. Suppose that let you give value here 5 and again copy it into another variable. Here we have taken v and copied it into of, I mean copied value of a into b, okay. And when we would print it, it will give us the result as 5. And if we will make any changes into b, that will not going to update into a.